Hello, I'm Sarah with WTI. And for every dreamer or thrill seeker, this DYSANKY water bottle is your ideal companion because it's built tough and ready for the journey, but it's also going to fuel your hydration and your adventurous spirit. What makes this water bottle stand out? Well, it's going to give you the ability to track every national park in the US that you visit. It comes with 63 beautiful stickers. So as you explore each national park, you can celebrate your visit by placing one of these stickers right on the bottle. The stickers are waterproof, scratch resistant, and easy to apply, so it's going to be fun and simple to track your journey. But even if it takes you time before you get to visit every national park in the US, you're still going to want to take this water bottle with you on all of your trips because it's a premium 40-ounce stainless steel insulated bottle. And it comes with 2 interchangeable caps. So whether you're a straw person or whether you like a quick pour cap, you're going to get both options. And a cleaning brush to keep the straws clean. So it's everything you need for wherever the trail takes you. I love the way I can track my progress in visiting national parks in the US right on the outside of my bottle. It adds such a fun bit of adventure, especially when I look back through my pictures and I look at my bottle. It's a way to keep the memories alive. So whether you have a national park adventure ahead of you or you're just headed to work, this is the water bottle you are definitely going to want to take with you. And that is my point of view.